Now, dear students, it's time to move towards some advanced topics. We have seen now that while designing the schematic in schematic editor, let me show you. We have designed the schematic in the schematic editor and we have used symbols. While if we move towards the PCB side in the PCB editor, then we have used footprints. Over here we have used the footprints. While designing the schematic we have used symbols, and while designing the PCB side of the schematic we have used footprints. So we have seen that the symbols and footprints are organized in the libraries. We have chosen all these symbols in the schematic editor from the symbol library and have used footprints from the footprint library. So KiCad keeps tracks of the user symbols libraries, and KiCad keeps a track of user symbol libraries and footprint libraries in the symbol libraries table and footprint libraries table. Each library table is a list of library name and the location of where each library exists on the disk. You can see over here, let me show you. If I move towards the project window on the preferences and click on manage symbol library, you will see over here that these are all the library names that are over here, and the next field is the library path. Similarly, these are for symbol libraries, and if we go towards the preference in the manage footprint library, over here you will see the nickname or the name of the libraries of the footprint library along with the library path. So you can even add more footprint libraries by clicking over here, and over here you can write the name. Over here you can even choose the path where your library is present. Let's delete this and cancel it. Similarly, if you want to add for the symbol library, you can also add more symbol library by clicking over here and writing the name and giving the path of the symbol libraries. In this way you can add more symbol library. Let's just delete this and cancel it. This is one way to view the symbols library and footprint library table from the project manager side. But if you want to see from the schematic side, if you open schematic editor, you can go over here preferences, manage symbol library, and again you can see a list of all the symbol libraries along with the library path. And if you want to see for footprint library, go towards the preferences. I think I have to first of all close this one in order to open another dialog box. Go to footprint library, preferences, manage footprint library. In this way you can see also see the list of all the footprint libraries. On the top side you can see there are global libraries and project specific libraries. Similarly, if you see for the symbol libraries in the schematic editor, go to preference, manage symbol library, and you can also see over here there are global libraries. These are all the list of global libraries, and these are project specific libraries. So what is actually the difference between them? Symbols are the footprint symbols and footprint added to global tables are available to all projects. Over here these are available to all the projects, while symbol and footprints in the project specific tables over here are available only to the specific projects. So user can add their own libraries to the global library table or project specific library. So in the coming videos we are going to make our own library, make our own custom symbol, as well as we are going to design our own custom footprint.